How to fix Valorant Your game requires a system restart to play error on Windows. To fix Valorant Your game requires a system restart to play error on Windows. Try 1. Run Valorant as administrator. 2. Enable Vanguard service to automatically run with your system in misconfig and services.msc. Note, if you get error 1, incorrect function when enabling Vanguard service, run these commands as admin, sc delete vgc sc delete vgk restart your computer. Delete Riot Vanguard folder. Run Valorant as administrator. 3. Disable driver signature enforcement. Run /set no integrity checks on command in PowerShell as admin. Restart your computer and run Valorant as administrator. If Valorant works for you, run set no integrity checks off command in PowerShell as admin. 4. Update your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Disable virtualization. Run /set hypervisor launch type off command in PowerShell as admin. Restart your computer and run Valorant as administrator. If Valorant Your game requires a system restart to play error continues, disable Hyper-V via the control panel.